Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there was a place known as the 99 Club. It was said to hold the secret to living a good life. This exclusive club consisted of 99 members, each of whom had discovered their unique path to happiness and contentment. Aspiring villagers often wondered what it took to join this esteemed club and unlock the key to a fulfilling life. One sunny morning, a curious young woman named Lily set out on a journey to uncover the secret of the 99 Club. She asked around the village, seeking advice from those who had heard whispers of the club's wisdom. Everyone she spoke to had a different perspective. The first person she approached was an elderly gardener, known for his lush and vibrant garden. He told Lily, to make a good life, you must cultivate it like a garden. Nourish it with kindness, patience, and love. And don't forget to weed out negativity. Next, she encountered a wise teacher who advised, education is the key to a good life. Keep learning, for knowledge is a treasure that no one can steal from you. As she continued her quest, Lily met a successful merchant who proclaimed, work hard, be persistent, and seize opportunities when they come your way. A good life is built on success and prosperity. Lily was starting to feel overwhelmed by the conflicting advice when she met a compassionate nurse who said, kindness and empathy are the cornerstones of a good life. Helping others and being there for those in need is the true path to happiness. Lily pondered these diverse perspectives, feeling a bit lost. One day, while sitting near a tranquil pond, she noticed a wise old man meditating under a towering willow tree. Intrigued, she approached him and asked, Sir, I've heard so many different opinions on how to make a good life. Can you offer any guidance? The old man smiled gently and replied, My dear, the 99 Club is not about a single formula for a good life. It's about understanding that each person's journey is unique. What works for one may not work for another. The true secret is to listen to your heart, follow your passions, and be true to yourself. Embrace the wisdom of the gardener, the teacher, the merchant, and the nurse, but adapt their lessons to your own life. Lily realized that the secret to the 99 Club was not a one-size-fits-all solution, but a blend of these diverse perspectives. She thanked the old man for his wisdom and returned to the village with a newfound understanding. Over time, Lily pursued her passions, learned from her experiences, helped others in need, and embraced the teachings of the 99 Club members. She discovered that living a good life was about finding her own unique path to happiness while incorporating the valuable lessons shared by the members. In the end, she became the 100th member of the 99 Club, symbolizing that a good life could never be constrained by a fixed number or a single path. Lily's journey served as a reminder to all that the quest for a good life is a personal, ever-evolving adventure, and each person has the power to create their own unique version of happiness.